Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to copy and paste values only in Google Sheets, so you remove the formula but keep the result. Perfect when you want to lock numbers in place. Here we have some basic sample data. Column C contains formulas. The problem: if you copy column C normally, it copies the formula, not the actual result. Method 1. Paste values. Only. Right-click method. Select the cells with formulas. Press Ctrl plus C. Right-click where you want to paste. Click Paste Special. Values only. Done. Now the formulas are gone, just the numbers remain. Method 2. Keyboard shortcut, fastest way. After copying, Windows, Ctrl plus Shift plus VMac, Command plus Shift plus V. This pastes values only instantly. Method 3. Replace formula with its own value. Want to remove the formula in the same spot? Copy the formula cells. Right-click the same cells. Choose Paste Special, then Values Only. Now the formula is permanently replaced with its result. Important. After pasting values, the numbers will not update anymore. They are now fixed/static values. No formula, just the number. That's it. Copy and paste values without formulas in seconds. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips.